Welcome back everyone. The two equations have the same right hand side 28. So if we subtract both of them, club a square minus b square and 3a minus 3b. A square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b. On both sides, take a minus b common. You're left with a plus b plus 3. Now two equations can be equated to 0. So a minus b is 0 and a plus b plus 3 is also 0. From here, a is equal to b. If we put this value in the original equation, break this quadratic equation 7a plus 4a. A comes out to be minus 4 and 7, and correspondingly as A is equal to B, B is also minus 4 and 7. So these become two roots for A and B. Let's solve other equation. So B is equal to minus 3 minus A. Solve for roots of A minus B plus minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Don't confuse this a with this. So here b is 3, a is 1 and c minus 19. So the two roots of a is minus 3 plus minus square root 85 by 2. Now solve for b, which is minus 3 minus a. So these are the two values of b. For a as minus 3 minus square root 85 by 2 and minus 3 plus square root 85 by 2. So this equation has four solutions. That's all for today. I'll catch you in our next session.